All right, what's going on, everybody? David here. Today we're going to talk about luggage. So luggage is something that it's very important to get it right, because if you don't get it right, you might end up in a situation where your luggage breaks on you, or you have other issues with your luggage and you're out in a different country and now you have to buy luggage, and it usually will not be cheap to buy luggage in another country. So I've had this piece of luggage for a couple of years now. This is a Delsey. I don't know the exact model number, but I will post it in the description below. But it's been beat up. It's a nice, this is a carry-on luggage, international, so I can take this everywhere I want to go. I'm not really going to do a review on the whole luggage, but it's got a nice little compartment here for my laptop. That's the main reason that I picked it up. But when you get luggage, you want to make sure, this is my advice, I would get luggage that's all they do. I want to get luggage it's like a company, all they do is luggage. I don't want to buy luggage that's luggage from, I don't know, a clothing manufacturer. You go to a certain store and you can go ahead and pick these different clothing manufacturers' luggage. For whatever reason, everyone wants to make luggage. So I like to get luggage that's specific. That's all they do is luggage, because they generally will do a better job about luggage. And so Delsey is the luggage that I go with. Now, the reason I'm telling you that is because usually when it, usually when you get luggage, you're going to have issues with your luggage. And if you go with a reputable brand, then you generally will have, they'll have some support where you can call them and tell them, hey, this is what happened. Is there any way you can send me something? And in Delsey's case, that's what happened. I had my luggage got ripped where one of these little zipper thingies got ripped, and in normal situation it's probably not that crucial, but in this situation, this luggage has a lock on it, and it's the lock has a certain little opening right here, and it has to go in order for it to lock. So that was one of the zippers that broke off. And the reason it broke off, let me just explain this. It was working fine, but I didn't lock it into place, and I had to check this luggage. And we all know how they treat luggage. And so when I got my luggage off the turnstile after I got to my destination, one of the zippers was gone. So the good thing about reputable brands is all I needed to do was call them up, and they sent me a bunch. They sent me like 3 or 4 of the size that I need. Plus they sent me some other ones that I can use on the rest of the bag if I want to do that. So that's one really good thing. If you get a brand that's a really reputable luggage brand, they'll take care of you. They'll take care of your luggage, because that's what they do. If I get a Ralph Lauren bag, for example, the customer service is probably not going to be the same. So that's just my experience. But let me know what you guys think. You guys have luggage? What luggage do you guys use? If you have any questions about Delsey luggage, just please give me just post it in the comments, and I'll talk about it if I know the answer to that. If not, then I'll just direct you to their website. I'm not getting paid by Delsey or anything like that. This is just something that I thought was a nice gesture for them to send me this free of charge. So that's all I have for you guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later.